Hey you guys, I was sent this mini portable vacuum cleaner by the brand for an honest review. So let's go ahead, we're gonna unbox it together and see how it works. Okay, first we're gonna open up the box and you can see here there's some attachments. Looks like there's two different ones, and then here's the main unit itself. And right away I notice it's a good weight, which means it definitely seems to be good quality. Take a look here. Yeah, it definitely is a good weight. Okay, go put it down and see what else is in the box. There's the instructions, which is always good to read, and then the USB charging. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, so we're going to take this off and find the power button and turn it on. That just sounds super powerful. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the attachments, how they fit. Okay, you can see that the attachments actually go right here in the end, but we're going to take this off and take a look inside. That's also the USB right there. But when we take this off, we unlock it, and you can see inside is a filter, which actually removes and you just wash it. But let's put one of the brushes in here. It just kind of slides right in, which is great, very easy. We took it out to the car to give it a try, and wow, it's so powerful. I'm really happy with this.